All right, hey guys, this is David from binaryoptionsdaily.com and also binaryoptionsedge.com. So, what I wanted to talk to you guys about today was helping you try to define support and resistance levels using fractals. Now, what I've found is if you've got a double fractal, oftentimes when these levels are broken after you're drawing them with basically I'm just using the rectangle tool to draw these out, that you've got a nice continuation of the break right after it happens. So let me explain with the first one. So right here we've actually got a double fractal, and what I'm doing is drawing from the lowest point of both fractals and also going up to as high up as I can to where the candle starts. So, and it's not really letting me do it all the way up here, but it should be a little bit higher right there. But anyway, what we're doing though is since we've got two downward fractals, we're actually waiting for a trade to go under this line, or a candlestick to end and close under this line. So as you can see, it didn't actually happen until right here. But once it did happen, this is our signal that we're going to be going short. So as soon as this candle's about to close down, we'd be taking this short on this next candle right here, which was a pretty decent win. I think that was about 3.3 pips right there. And if we go ahead and move to the next trade over here, we've got a double down fractal right here. And again, what we'd be doing is drawing from the bottom part of these two fractals, the lowest point in there. So the lowest point is right here, and then the highest point is actually going to be right at the bottom of that first candle right there. And really, you could do this with just a horizontal line. I prefer to draw the boxes just because it makes it a little easier to see where price is likely to bounce in there. So if it doesn't keep going straight through, it is definitely just a support level in this blue zone. So we actually got a confirmation candle right here as it closed down below the blue. So we'd be taking this next trade right here, going short on that with a put, and that was a 2.4 pip win. And if we go back and look at let's just take this one right here because this is the opposite. So we've actually got two fractals that are pointing upwards. So with this trade, we'd actually be looking to go long if price broke out of the level right here. So it actually did not break out though. We did, however, have another one right before that, which was telling us to go short if price broke out of this level right here. So we were drawing from the bottom of this fractal and then up to the closest point where the candles actually ended, and not with the wicks. So this is a good support zone for me. And as soon as that broke out, which it happened on this candle where it closed down, we'd be taking this next candle right before it opened up, and we'd be taking this candle, and that was a 4.6 pip win. And again, this is on a 5-minute chart, and it shouldn't matter which asset you're trading or anything. It usually works fairly well with pretty much any asset. Let's see. Now we've got the final one, which is going on right now, where we've got two downward sloping fractals. So we'd be looking to go short if price broke out of this blue support zone right here and closed under. So right now we're just waiting on price to either it's got to break out of this big zone up here at the 87,784, or we've got to go short when price breaks out of the 87,542 level. So hopefully this will be helpful to some of you who are trying to learn a little bit more about support and resistance levels and drawing them out using fractals.